Hey y'all, it's Katina the broker. I miss y'all. A lot of people have reached out asking, what have I been up to? And yep, this is it. I have been learning to be a stock options trader, a day trader, actually. So, let me just tell you what I've learned so far is that there are different levels to trading, and you want to find the strategy that suits you best, right? So, it took me a while to figure out if I want to be a swing trader or a day trader. And I'm just going to tell you, so far, I'm addicted to day trading. So, let me just tell you, if you want to get started trading stock market or trading options, the first thing you want to do is get a charting program, right? What I'm going to do is put a link in the description below. Let me show y'all what that means. When you're watching this video on YouTube, right, you want to just click. One moment. As y'all can see, I got all these stock channels up. But you want to just click. Hold on. So say you're watching this video right here, right? You want to scroll down. You want to scroll down, and where it says show more, you want to click the link, because what I'm going to do with TradingView is give you a free trial now, because that's the charting platform. Now let me just show you the benefits of using it. Right now, use my link below, because you are going to get a free trial if you use my link below, right? So I really hope I get some people to join this journey with me, right? But let's just take a look at Apple, right? So, hold on one second. I don't know why Apple didn't open up. Tank on it. Okay, so you go in the search bar and you type Apple, which is AAPL. And clearly that's the most popular stock. That's why it was already at a default, right? Look at that. You see right here, it says search stock symbol, or example, AAPL. And that's actually what I want to search. So, AAPL. So, say you wanted to join TradingView. You want to get your free trial by clicking on my link below. You can watch TradingView, you can watch Apple stock, and all of these things down here are indicators which tell me if the stock is about to go up or the stock is about to go down. And that is how I'm quickly able to print my own money every day, y'all. So right now I'm up to about $400 a day. I have taken a few losses. I think I took a loss one day of $200, and that was before I had studied better and knew which indicators to use. So I'm going to leave actually to y'all a link in the description below if you want to take a stock options course and get on this journey with me. But basically, it's so easy to use, y'all. So when you pull up a chart, you come right here to what's called indicators. You click the drop down arrow, or you just click on it, and you can just search different indicators. Right here are my favorite indicators, right? But if you click technicals, they got so many indicators in here, y'all. So many different indicators you can use. Here, most people normally see the line. Like if you register, I want to give you a Robinhood link as well too, because if you click right here, if you go to Robinhood and you use my link below, we'll both get a free stock. So, and as you can see, check this out though, y'all. I know I'm all over the place, but check this out. So I'm up 50% on a day trade I did today so far. I'm up 182% on a day trade I did yesterday. So, as usual, I'm just upset I didn't start doing this earlier. I have been trying to learn stock options and Forex for I think I started in 2018, but I've been back and forth with it. I even tried again in 2020. I tried options in 2020. So, but now I'm addicted to it. I have been trading every single day for the last couple of weeks, which is why I haven't been making any YouTube videos. So, as you can see, I am at the point now I know how to be profitable. And don't be afraid thinking that you have to be at a computer all day, because that's what day traders do. But there are other ways you can make money as a trader without being at your computer all day, every day. So I'm going to put the course link below. I'm going to put the link below for TradingView so that you can look at the charts. And also I am going to put a Robinview link below so that we can both get some free stocks. And, on TradingView too, like if you wanted to watch certain stocks, you just come over here, you create a new list, you type it, my watch list, you click save, and then you just come over here again, and then you say, I want to watch Apple. Then you just click on this plus sign. I want to watch Apple. I want to watch Tesla, right? And then if you don't know the ticker symbol, you just type Tesla out. Then you want to choose the one that says NASDAQ. Then you click the plus sign. And I mean, it's a lot easier, y'all, than what we have been trained to believe, okay? Also, another first step too, if you want to become a stock trader, start getting used to reading the earnings reports on Yahoo Finance every day. You can actually come to Yahoo Finance and see what's trending every day. So right now, Carvana is trending. I can't believe what I did with that Neo stock. But if you want to learn how to read an earnings report, you type in the ticker symbol, right? Let's say you want to look at Tesla's earning report. TSLA. Say you want to look at Tesla's earning report. You come here. Let's look at company insights. You can just see what their overall scores and ratings are. And then you want to go to financials, right? So again, it's a lot easier to do than we have been trained to believe, because I wish I had started earlier, but check this out too. So you can see like gross profits in 2022. You could look at their quarterly reports and quarterly earnings all right here, right? All right here. So yeah, that is what I've been up to, y'all. I have officially become a day trader, and I'm doing stock options, and I'm loving it, and I'm actually like really making money and being profitable every single day. So if you want to jump on this journey with me, do so by clicking the links below. It's Katina Willis, aka Katina the Broker. I'm always up to something new, y'all. I know I am. I'm always up to something new, but I'm having fun, and hopefully you will too. So don't forget TradingView to get a free trial in the description box below. And don't forget Robinhood, so you and me can both get a free stock. And what else? Oh yeah, if you want to learn stock options, how to hit the ground running and start trading stock options by tomorrow, click the link below for a course, and you get a discount there too. It's that course that I actually took, which helped me to hit the ground running and get started fast. So I'll see you on the other side. Take care.